let's have a look at two examples, okay, that involve numbers including the pronumeral squared. So with an example like 5, we can't just come through and square root this number first, because that would mean we'd have to square root 5 and it can become very, very messy. What we're better off doing is actually removing the 5 from the a squared. Okay, now 5 times a squared, so we need to divide it. Okay, exactly the same rules that we've been applying each and every single time, and what we do to one side, we do to the other. So we're left with a squared equals, so 245 divided by 5 equals 49. Now that I've got a to the power of 2 equals 49, I can square root it. So find a on its own, which is 7. Okay, nice and simple. Coming through to a question like 6, okay, again, looks a little bit more complicated. Don't worry. May look complicated, but it's very simple. Let's get rid of the 5 first. It makes sense to get rid of the bottom number of this fraction first, so okay, that our lives are a lot easier. So cancel that out. We're left with 3h to the power of 2 equals 26 times 5, which is 130. Now we're left with this term. Okay, the easiest way to do this is to get rid of the 3 so that we've got h to the power of 2 on its own. So again, just drop down the h to the power of 2. What I'm doing to one side, I'm doing to the other. So 130 divided by 3. Okay, so 43.3. Okay, so that's to one decimal place. Now, what I need to do, okay, is to simply square root that and square root that, okay, to get rid of the h, to the h squared. Now, I could leave my answer like this. That's insert form. Or if the question is asking you to, for one decimal place, okay, I would put the answer as 6.58, okay, or to 2 decimal places. Now remember, plus or minus. Remember, plus or minus, plus or minus. Answer has to be given in plus or minus.